starting the video a little different today. It's gonna be about the GTI. I'm still working on the Civic, and that's gonna be in another video. It's gonna be all at once because I just want to have part 2 and just be done with the interior. So I'm just gonna kind of lump it all together. Obviously from today's video, I'm gonna be installing a Aerofabb spoiler extension, and there are a ton of different spoilers, but to me this is like the cleanest option, and Aerofabb makes a bunch of different parts for the GTI, like a diffuser and a lip spoiler, but right now I'm just opting for the extension because of future plans for the car. Let's get down to unboxing this and just move on from there. Ooh. Damn. It already has the 3M tape installed, and it has these little holes. I just have to take off the roof spoiler on that car, and it'll stick on. It's really bolt-in, no drilling. I just have to get it on the car. So yeah, it comes with the hardware with some fancy ass Aerofabb tape. There's even it even comes with a prep pad and everything. Anything else? Oh. You know, just a good sticker. Just a good sticker. Some oh, this is actually really good instructions. Like, let's get to doing that. Of course, they would give you a full-on like Sour Patch Kid in here. I don't know if it's still good because I got this little spoiler extension like months ago, but I'm pretty sure it's okay still. I'm gonna try it. Oh, this is hella funny. This company, you know a company's great when they give you candy with your purchase. I love Sour Patch Kids. Let's get to the video. Should I read the instructions? Nah. Instructions are for suckers. Oh no. I think I fucked up. I'm gonna read the instructions. Always have some neo-nose pliers for this. Hella lost that. Oh my god. Okay, so under that plug in the middle, there is a bolt here, and bolt here. You just unbolt those. And I'm gonna follow the instructions. I don't want to break my car. If you don't have a lot of hands like me, just, you know, line your car with microfiber towels. Well, funny part is Brandy has my drill. Sad part is I don't have my drill. Shit. Oh, could you bring the drill over? Alright, so let's just put these on first, and then I'll worry about smoking those holes later. It just says to centered, flush, so completely remove the backing, tape label on your Aerofabb spoiler extension. First things first, I'm assuming regardless, I still think you take out the alcohol prep pad, yeah? I don't know about you. Missing a bolt. I'm tripping. Of course. Really luck's really on my side, you know? Of course, it's been months since I ordered this. I don't even know if I can get like another bolt, but damn it. Alright. Still, looks pretty clean overall. I really do like this like slight lip look. Oof. Yeah, really wishing I had that 4th bolt Aerofabb. So yeah, gotta either hopefully maybe I dropped it. See, this is why you don't let your car parts stack up for like, you know, months. I think it's been, when I ordered this in April. It's been 5 months since I got this extension, and I have not checked. I didn't open it at all. I opened it today, so really should have checked it. Oh my other parts too. Whatever. Really should have checked it before just leaving it in like the storage area. But yeah, it's been 5 months since I ordered this, and well, you know what? I didn't have a bolt for the entire time of that 5 months. So really waiting on that bolt, and I gotta actually move all my I gotta move both cars in here now. Great. Damn. Well, move the Civic in. At least it made a reason for me to clean up the garage. So the floor is all clean now. The only thing that's out is this and some stuff over there. I'm gonna toss those cardboard boxes. But anyways, it looks so weird without the spoiler. Look who's here. Dude, it's hella foggy. Holy. What's up, bruh?
What's up, dude?
Oh my god.
Sorry for the shitty parking.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Let me go get the drill.
Oh, let me get your socket, dude. That's what it was, a socket. Oh my god. Actually, now think about it.
Decades.
Here you go, sir.
Thank you. Oh, it's nice black and white.
Yeah, good, yeah, of course.
Perfect.
Okay. Drill out these holes into this wing. Whew.
Oh my god, you're so talented.
First, that's like, this is legit the first hole I ever drilled into my car.
Oh.
Alright, so basically, spoiler's all screwed. I have all the screw holes.
Ooh, that's gross.
I know, right? It's like sand, dude. It's all drilled into those holes right there, right there.
My dear.
And it's gonna go up there, but right now, today, I'm gonna stop right here, because I still need those bolts. Please, Aerofabb, deliver me another bolt. I just need one bolt.
Please.
Just please. Just
Please. No
thanks, Brandy. Bye.
No problem. See you later.
Bye. Yay! Whoop. I'm ending the video here. Next video is gonna be probably just me finishing that off with another mod, and then the next video is probably gonna be about the Civic, finishing the interior, cause I just gotta put everything back in, and the carpet is basically, I figured out how to paste the carpet into the car, kinda, make it all stick in place. So next video is gonna be about the Civic. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.